still. Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Ashik Malik on your channel Travel Vlog. Today I'm in the first day in Doulas, capital of Isles of Man. I'm thinking to start night walk. Usually it sounds awkward, but just due to the beauty of Christmas decoration, I decided to do night walk rather than day walk. We have a signpost, so we are standing on the Victorian Street. Left side it's Duke Street Shopping Center, railway station, market hall, Q side and bus station. So Q side we will cover tomorrow. Now we are turning fast. Left hand side is the town hall and Tin World. Tin World is the Isles of Man Parliament. It's also considered as the oldest parliament of the world. According to history, local history, it was built in 900 and still working parliament. It's a very nice, Doulas is a very nice city. It got status of city just few years back, and it's a capital of Isles of Man. So let's see Isles of Man famous for the Let's turn this side. Let's see map. This side is again beach, prom, town center, shopping, tourist information center, and sea terminal. So now we are going to this side, and then we will come toward Tin World. As an introductory video, I already informed the Isles of Man is an independent country, just defense and external affair is under the protectorate of Crown of United Kingdom, but it has its own parliament. It's situated in the middle of Irish Sea, between UK and Ireland. Isles of Man is famous for its handicraft, service sector, and also as a tax haven. So people who wanted to invest here to save a lot of tax, register their company, is also treated one of the tax haven. Town center ended this side, so we have to go back on Victoria Street. Now this side we are walking toward Tin World, the Parliament of Isles of Man. Street. Isles of Man is also famous for its tailless cat. The resident of Isles of Man is called Manx. It has its own currency. Total area of this island is around 463 square kilometer. Victoria House. London Institute of Business and Technology. People, Manx, they are very nice, humble people and cooperative. Until now, it's my first day I met so many people. Usually people are very humble. They want they are ready to help. This is Tin World, the Parliament of Isles of Man. It's a Monday to Friday is a free entry on gallery area, museum you can visit. Let's see what's written. Legislative building, public member office, clerk, Tin World, Millennium Rooms. So we are on Finchley Street, Tin World situated on Finchley Street. Crime rate are almost negligible. on this island. This is the only mosque of this island. It's called Islamic Center of the Isles of Man. Manx Museum footbridge. So our next video will be related to Manx Museum. It's a free entry. You can explore Isles of Man, its culture, heritage. The best place is the Manx Museum. So tomorrow I have my itinerary for Manx Museum. The name is Market Estate, but I don't find any market apart from some offices. Might be it was used to be an old time. I'm about to reach my hotel. Thank you for watching this video. I will bring a few more videos related to Isle of Man. I hope you will like all these videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you want any feedback, please drop me as a message. Thank you. Broadway. Walking